Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, today, rainy day, we got a project to check out. This one was, you know how they have places where you can drop off your scrap for recycling? Yeah, this was in the recycle bin. And we inquired about it and was able to purchase it. So, that's just the way you got it. The tires are all up and it actually looks pretty decent, but that's just how it looks. Open the hood up, show them what we got. There's a 20 horse Intertech brakes and scrap them with no compression. Goes roundy roundy. Yeah. So, we're going to check her out and see how bad it is. Maybe it's not as bad as we think, but there isn't any gaping holes in the block or anything.
Nothing I could see.
At least we haven't seen them yet anyway, so I'll get you on the tripod and we'll get started on her. So we're going to start out, there is a battery in it, but of course it's dead. So we're going to take that out, put the jump pack on it, roll it over with a spark plug out and a compression tester in. That's where we're going to start. We don't expect to get anything, but we're going to do that. We got the jump pack on, got the spark plug out, we're ready to do a compression test.
Nothing.
No, nothing. That's just what we expected. So I guess what? Pull the valve cover off, make sure the valves are going up and down and back and forth and all that good stuff.
Sure.
In case anybody wants to know, son of Papa Junk's project.
That's good. Then you
Right, I'm gonna get the key.
Oh, oh. Okay.
Yeah.
It's even pumping oil too.
So, I guess we'll just see how much carnage there is from this point on. I got a lot of stuff removed from it, and I'm draining the oil out. And it doesn't show any metallic-y looking stuff in there. It's nice and thick. Maybe this is one of them where you never change the oil, you just keep adding. It's got a filter on it, but it says Briggs and Stratton on it. Maybe it's original too. I don't know, we're just talking, you know, so. But we're gonna soon have it off of there and pull the bottom off and see what we got. Okay, engine removal time. Got her up on the chain pull. Alright, she's all unbolted and everything went well. Clutch come right off and everything, so. Ouch. Put your finger on there. Like I just did. Ouchie, ouchie. Okay, you guys should come on after long. Okay, so now I'll flip her over. Ooh, I can hear rattly parts. I don't know if you guys could hear it on camera, but balance that for a minute and I'll get a block of wood and put onto there. Just a little more. There. So this looks like more bolts for the bolt collection, huh?
2013.
and some aluminum to melt.
Yeah, there is a mark on the block over there.
Yeah, in behind the starter we did find a little dimple in the block, so.
That must be the oil pump.
Hammer?
Yeah, we're gonna get a balance.
Would that be nice to it?
Yeah.
Oh. There's a part. Still got the bolt in it. Wow.
All the shavings in that.
Well, it's got an oil filter. And an oil pump, but it's still got a slinger, huh? I haven't had any of these new things apart, so. More pieces all over the place, huh?
Governor.
Oh, what's it down in there? That's a big. There's some more pieces.
Camshaft isn't plastic. The gear.
No, it's got a real camshaft. Huh? You know, it didn't break this plastic governor thing. Little slinger governor. That's amazing. Cam's nice.
So that's that
Balance.
balance or
Yeah, crankshaft's rough. Probably covered with aluminum, I'm guessing. I don't know. So, you just complete disassembly from this point on?
yeah.
Alright, you guys, we get her all apart. We'll show you some more of it.
More car.
So I'm not used to working on this new stuff, so I'm kind of studying it. It's got an oil pump, but it's got an oil slinger. And looking this over, this filter from the oil pump comes down this line and goes right here into this main bearing area, but it doesn't go anywhere else that I can see. And the crankshaft doesn't have any holes for the oil to go to the rod or anything, so it seems kind of foolish to have an oil pump and a filter. I guess the only advantage is it filters the oil, sort of. But wouldn't you think you'd want to get oil to the rod bearing? That seems the one with the most stress on it. Maybe that's why these don't last. Just thinking out loud.
Jeez. It's like a car.
They're pretty long. Don't look like any damage there. The top of the piston looks fine. So it didn't hit anything. Go get that flywheel and coil and stuff off next, I guess. Got the crankshaft out, and we're just doing exploring. We've never had one of these parts before.
It's done there, I reckon. It's like a clip they use to clip body parts on.
Oh. That's all it holds that? Yeah. Huh. Okay. Well, that'll melt nice and the so there's the counter, right?
That needs to come out.
There's dikes right behind you. Probably pull it out easy. The cam gear come right off easily. Yeah, there you go. Oh,
No, not the.
got a rocket to get it out.
No, enough to grab a hold of it.
Wonder if it's a. Is it a woodwork key or is it a regular key? Yeah, it's a wood drop. No. Rocket right up. There you go. More melting stuff.
Ooh, I shared the key. When it.
Oh, shared the flywheel key.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how we could not see that when it was on there. So apparently it never got a chance to blow oil out or anything because there wasn't, you know,
It was full of
oil
oil.
or anything. Oh yeah, we didn't get the piston out yet. Holy mackerel. I never seen one look like that in a small engine. Of course, I haven't had any of this newer stuff apart. I guess the piston is alright. Doesn't show any signs of damage. Hey. Wonder why they don't last, huh? Wonder if my Briggs and Stratton in my excavator's got parts that look like this in it.
Probably.
Okay. Well, guys, I guess we've seen the carnage. So if this one's ever going to be an operational tractor again, it's going to have a transplant.
It will.
So we're going to have to decide what we're going to do. So see you in a bit. So Grant had another engine that was missing the shroud and some of the carburetor and stuff, so we're using the shroud and the carburetor and the goodies off of the old one. Hopefully we're going to be able to make an engine here. Have her back in operation. So we're working at her. We don't have the pulley on the bottom yet.
Oh,
We're gonna give her a try. Gonna hook up the jump box and see what happens.
We gotta tighten the bolts down.
It'll be alright just to try. Won't go anywhere.
Ready?
Yep. No ignition?
No.
Yeah, as soon as you turn the camera on, that's what happens. Okay, this is going to be attempt number 2 for the first start. We just spent better part of an hour chasing wires, and come to find out it's the switch that when you push the brake down, start it. That was a plastic piece of crap that was bent. The plastic was bent. So we re-engineered it, and we're going to see if she goes now. We got the original gas. It was in the tank. You want to squirt? You want to squirt some gas in it and see? Is that gas solenoid not working on the car?
Yeah, that's not clicking.
Oh, right on the door. Well, we think we got something going on with the solenoid. And we didn't take that carb apart at all, did we yet?
No.
No, so may have other issues. But looks like she's gonna go. Got the carb off. Let's see what. Wipers. Well, she had gas in her. This thing isn't stuck, but I'll go see if it works with the power supply. The solenoid's okay.
She's got some jelly in her. This is one of these plastic pieces of crap.
Got some crap in there. So it's probably going to be ultrasonic bath time, I would guess. Okay, try number 3. the deck didn't come on, so it's probably just a matter of belt out of place or something. So I guess you guys seen the fun part, so we'll call this one a video. As usual, you know, if you enjoyed her, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed and like this stuff, please do. Helps out. We'll see you next time.